Is intermittent fasting the best diet plan for you? Stay tuned to find out. Intermittent fasting has gotten a lot of buzz and lots of people advocating for it, saying it's the best, but it's not in actuality. It's just another tool, a tool in your tool belt. I'll go through a study that looked at how it could be beneficial and see if it actually is in comparison to other diets. The name of the study basically tells you what it's about: a randomized controlled trial to isolate the effects of fasting and energy restriction on weight loss and metabolic health in lean adults. So it was looking at, is there a difference between fasting or regular dieting? Let's dive in. What's really interesting that they found in this study was that those following daily energy restriction and regular caloric deficits lost fat almost exclusively from fat tissue, whereas those following intermittent fasting lost body mass, sure, but it was attenuated and their metabolism slowing compared to the energy restriction and normal dieting group. What's more is that fasting without energy restriction, which means that they would fast for a certain period, but they would have to eat way more in their feeding window or at least maintenance calories. There was no reduction in body mass or fat mass. Like, that just shows that you can do these diets, but if you're not in a caloric deficit, they don't really work. What about hormones? I thought fasting had benefits for hormone levels. Nope. And they found in postprandial indices that there was no significant difference in gut hormones or other key genes in subcutaneous adipose tissue. So what this study means is that there's really no significant difference between fasting to lose weight or just regular dieting. It shows that intermittent fasting is just another tool in your tool belt regardless of what you decide to do, whether it's intermittent fasting or regular dieting. Choose what works for you. The most important thing is picking a diet plan that you can stick with. And the Mighty Miracleman rehab and training, we can have you come up with a game plan. And if you want our free nutrition guide, just go to themightymiracleman.com and do your email, and so we can send it right over. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your ears.